Poor buddy now.
That's it, that's it.
That get you excited.
It's 9 o'clock. We are heading to drop Jundi to daycare to see the kids. And then I'm gonna head down to have a bit of a morning to myself, a bit of a reset. Still getting used to the whole vlogging thing again, so bear with me. Time for some mum and one-on-one buddy time. Our drop-offs at daycare have been so good lately as well. He had a few weeks there where he wasn't pretty stoked to be going, but he loves it now and he gets really excited when we tell him he's going to go and see the kids. Hands down, best thing about the van is that I don't have to fold up my pram every time. Grabbed a quick smoothie for brekkie. Today, I guess, is all about just taking a couple of hours and a bit of time really dedicated to myself without focusing on any housework or work or anything like that. If there's one thing that I've kind of learnt and I'm still working on since becoming a mum, it's to try and prioritize these kind of days before you kind of lose it. Life can get overwhelming whether you have kids or not, and I guess just what I'm trying to learn is to prioritize these kind of rest days and days for me, even though it can be hard to get. I ran into two of my really good friends separately by coincidence on this walk. So I think the universe must have wanted me to have some socializing today. When Jundi was a baby, we had lockdown, so I didn't really get to have the whole community experience, which I'm trying to embrace now with Buddy. It's been beautiful. Now, and I'm just having lunch, which is leftovers. It's a curry with pumpkin, chickpeas, broccoli and beans. There's a few hours before I pick up Jundi from daycare, or Zave's gonna go get him. So I want to do some sprints. I really feel like sweating today. I need to do some boring stuff like dishes and washing and things, and then just spend some time with Zave as well. So that's the plan from here on in. Let's tuck in. Do another coffee because why not? I deserve it. Really can't be bothered, but I'm going to do my sprints now. It takes 30 minutes, Buddy's asleep. I run for 1 minute, walk for a minute. Right now, it would be a lot easier to sit down, but we're going for long-term gain over short-term comfort, and I know that I'm going to feel really good for doing them. With our bananas hanging up, getting ripe. Mission complete. I've definitely got my sweat on. Buddy's still not awake, so I'm going to go and just sit and meditate. To me, meditating is just sitting in stillness and silence with the aim of remaining present as much as possible. So I'm just going to go sit and pretty much get as many minutes in as I can. Hey! Hey! I missed you! Wanna have a picnic?
Yeah.
Ready? Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
For dinner, I've defrosted this Bolognese sauce, which I made in a big batch a few days ago. I recorded the recipe, so I'll put it at the end of the vlog. And then all we've got to do is cook up some pasta and dinner is ready. I swear having home-cooked meals in your freezer to have at the end of the day so you don't have to cook is like the ultimate luxury.
Doggy's howling. My dad's a great dancer. And he dances like Mum, look.
Step 1 is to chop and cook all of your veggies nice and slow until they are soft. And then I blend them all up so that Jundi can't find them. So they'll look a little like this in the slow cooker. I add 3 bay leaves, thyme, oregano and salt, plus 2 bottles of passata and 2 cans of tomato. Then add about a kilo of cooked mince of your choice, plus onion and garlic. A splash of red wine. Cook on low for at least 10 hours, adding herbs as you go and taste. 10 hours later, this will be for tonight. These 2 will go into the freezer for 2 other nights. And then, yeah, each time that you defrost one, just need to cook up pasta and you are done.